Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So this video is going to be a very productive study vlog after a long time. I'm really sorry for that. So here I was doing my geography homework of chapter water resources. Actually the next day my notebook check hone wali thi, so that's why last minute homework. So yeah, and guys I know मैं पिछले कुछ दिनों से completely inactive थी YouTube पे. It just takes time to get things better. My life was a chaos. I don't know how, but धीरे धीरे चीज़ें are getting better. Hey guys, I'm done with this geography work. I have written the whole chapter. So then next I was getting out some stuff to start my practical file. I do remember that. It's always me doing last minute things. So yeah, here I was completing that. Actually guys, this is a pretty old vlog and मैंने सोचा था like जैसे मैंने last vlog upload किया तो I thought that I'll be uploading this the very next day to maintain consistency, but I just didn't post it. And now I'll be pretty regular, and I just try to interact with people a lot these days, but I just didn't feel like it. Okay, so I was doing human eye wala chapter, and here begins the most productive part. I told you already before that it's a old vlog, so that's why I'm doing human eye chapter. So guys, I was done with the first lecture. Actually I was studying on my bed because I just felt like studying on it rather than my study table. That's the major problem with my study table. Like my new place, I just didn't feel like I'm from I just didn't feel like studying there like I did in my previous room. So here I was then done with another 2 lectures. So yes guys, on this day I literally completed an entire chapter of this human eye. Actually it was going on school, so I just thought to like finish it up without making notes because I thought I'll make it later. So yeah, that's fine. And to be honest, it is a pretty very easy chapter. Honestly, yeah, it's very easy and I just got it. And guys, I'll soon make a syllabus update video, but I just need some time to get back on the track. So yeah, that's why. So yeah, here I was doing this lecture and I was very cozy at this time. So yeah. And then I just completed another lecture. Okay, so guys, I'm done with the human eye wala chapter and I'll read NCERT later on my own. And this is like the current cozy setup, and that's a restricted area. Okay, so the thing is just so proud at this point because after so long I saved a 70% wasted day. Well, it was not extremely productive, but it was productive though. I was successful in getting things in just starting the pace. Now I'll be editing a video and then I'll end up my day at around about 2 a.m. because I'm done with the human eye chapter. That's a great achievement. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and मैं quick पर time बता देती हूँ. It's 1:24. Okay, bye bye.